In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook pixel for a Keap landing page. This might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's a smooth and straightforward process. First, let's get started by heading over to your Facebook or Meta business account. This is the central hub where you manage your business assets on Facebook, so being familiar with this space can really help you in the long run. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Events Manager. The Events Manager is where you handle all your data-related tasks, and it's particularly useful for keeping tabs on how people are interacting with your online presence. Next, take a look at the left side of your screen. There you'll find an option labeled Data Sources. Click on that, and then select Pixels. This section is crucial because pixels act like little workhorses, tracking valuable data about your website's traffic and visitor actions. Moving forward, you'll see an Add button, followed by the option to Create Pixel. Go ahead and click on those. You'll then need to name your pixel. This might seem trivial, but I recommend naming it something memorable or directly related to your purpose or website for easy identification later. If you have a specific project or campaign in mind, using those keywords can make it easier to manage. Once you've named your pixel, you'll have the option to provide your website URL. This step is optional, but it's always a good idea to include this information as it helps streamline the setup process by automatically pushing recommendations for your pixel settings. After you've filled in the necessary details, your pixel will be created and you'll receive a pixel ID right there. If JavaScript is required for your website, you'll also get a snippet of code needed for integration. The Pixel ID is a unique identifier for your pixel, which is vital when linking it to different platforms, so keep it handy. Now, let's head over to your Keap landing page. When you're in the process of building or editing your page, click on Settings. This area is where you can fine-tune various aspects of your page, and most importantly for us, handle your tracking or analytics configurations. In the tracking settings, there will be a designated space to enter your Facebook Pixel ID. Copy the Pixel ID you received earlier and paste it into this section. It's essential to ensure there are no errors or spaces before or after the ID. Once you've entered it, don't forget to save or publish your page. This will officially integrate your Facebook pixel with your Keap landing page, allowing you to track visitor interactions efficiently. Congratulations! You've now successfully set up a Facebook pixel on your Keap landing page. This integration is an invaluable tool for gaining insights into your audience's behaviors and optimizing your marketing efforts accordingly. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.